Hi everybody, it's Frederick from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove an i30 sound system radio. The tools you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic spudger or a metal spudger. I'll be using one or the other. Okay, first thing we need to do is open that. That will expose 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, which I have already removed. And after you've removed those screws, you'll need to pull that up, close the lid so that you can angle it out like that. And that will expose a screw there, which you'll need to remove. Use a magnetized screwdriver because that will stop you losing them down behind the dash. Now that I've removed that, this whole section here will come out as one piece. Like so. And I'm going to unplug that to get it out of the way for the time being, just by pressing the middle pin and pulling them towards the front of the car, like so. Okay, now that we've got that piece out there, we're going to put that to the side, and that of course will expose 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Okay, so we've removed the 4 screws. This whole radio will come out now. And we're going to remove some of the electrical cables on the back. That one comes out by pressing the middle pin, pulling it towards the front of the car. Okay, and that unit is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.